Hey, what's up everybody? How much do you know about the food that you buy and the nutritional value that it has? I think it's actually safe to say that most of us, we're so super busy so that when we go food shopping, we look for keywords like low fat or low sugar, organic or non-GMO. At least I'm hoping that you're doing just that. But oftentimes, even those foods are full of processed chemicals and you could be making yourself and your family sick. So today we're going to do a deep dive on the nutritional value of having real food in your meals and the ingredients that are in some of the meals and smoothies of some of the foods that were sent to me from Splendid Spoon. Splendid Spoon focuses on breakfast and lunch meals. They do soups, grain bowls, noodles, and smoothies. It's all plant-based, vegan actually, made with real food and no preservatives. It's gluten-free, GMO-free, low in sugar and sodium, and ready to eat, which is the most important thing for us. If you are a vegetarian or vegan, this is kind of a no-brainer. For others, this is a great and easy way to incorporate more plant-based meals into your day. So if you stick around until the end of the video, I have a special offer for viewers just like you. So make sure you stay to the end. I'm Risa Morimoto, your host and integrative nutrition health coach, and you're watching Modern Aging, where we chat about holistic ways to elevate our health and well-being as we age. Be sure to click on that little subscribe button with that little bell next to it to be sure to be notified whenever a new episode is uploaded. I'd love for you to check out our website at thisismodernaging.com. So as I say, you have 3 chances to nourish your body each day, and you have 3 chances per day to poison it. And that's through the food that we eat. Most people, they don't eat the suggested amounts of fruits and vegetables, actually really far from it. It's a little bit scary. It's known that a plant-based diet helps with lowering blood pressure. It's good for heart health. It reduces the chances of developing type 2 diabetes. It's really good for our gut health. It's good for cholesterol. It keeps your brain healthy. It ultimately helps you to live longer. And the good news is that the more you eat fruits and vegetables, the more you actually crave them, which is pretty amazing. Okay, so we're going to take a look. I have some smoothies here. I love a great smoothie. I mean, who doesn't? Sometimes it's so filling, it's like having a meal. This is a strawberry goji smoothie. It has purified water, strawberry, cashew butter, baobab powder, pea protein, goji berries, chia seeds, vanilla powder, coconut flakes, cinnamon, and Himalayan salt. Okay, so let's kind of break this down a little bit and see. These are all clearly real foods, all things that I can pronounce, right? So strawberry goji smoothie. Strawberries, of course, all berries are really great for you. They're loaded with antioxidants and vitamin C, and they're great for your overall immune system. Cashews lower your cholesterol and helps to keep a strong heart. Baobab powder is especially high in vitamin C, vitamin B6, niacin, iron, and potassium. Pea protein is a high quality protein, and it's a great source of iron. It could also aid in muscle growth and weight loss and heart health. Goji berries. These berries are great to give you energy and increase your stamina. Chia seeds. I love a chia seed. It's a superfood packed with nutrients like fiber, protein, good fat, calcium, manganese, magnesium, and phosphorus. Don't let that little black seed fool you. It's packed. Vanilla powder is an antioxidant and helps reduce the effects of aging and promotes vibrant skin. Coconut flakes is high in fiber. Cinnamon, an antioxidant and anti-inflammatory, great for your heart. And then Himalayan salt. It's great to regulate blood sugar and hormonal balances, as well as improve digestion. So let's just take a little taste. Oh, it's really nice. It's sweet. You can definitely taste the strawberries. It has a little bit of a creamy texture. I'm assuming that's from some of the powders and the pea protein and the cashew butter. But it's not overly sweet like you see in some of these smoothies, where it just feels like you're just drinking sugar. So no, this is really nice. These are kale pesto noodles. They come in these little plastic containers like this. All the grain bowls and soups and noodles come in these containers. They come frozen in the box, and the box has recyclable padding, which is also really good. And then you just heat it up on the stove, or you heat it up on the microwave. This noodle dish has like rich pesto topped with roasted tomatoes and kale. The tomatoes are full of lycopene, which is great for disease resistance. Kale, as we know, is very famous these days, but it's also for good reason. It's loaded with antioxidants and vitamin C. So believe it or not, kale actually has more vitamin C than oranges, but oranges has better marketing around vitamin C. It also includes some nutritional yeast. Yeast has become really known for being a great source of protein, vitamins, and minerals. So let's take a taste. Really nice. It almost actually has a little bit of a kick to it, which is nice too. Like a little bit of spice. So it's so nice to just be able to have a healthy plant-based meal. You just have to heat up really quickly on the stove or in the microwave. So next up we have the orange hibiscus smoothie. This has purified water, bananas, avocados, orange juice, pea protein, hibiscus powder, maqui powder, chia seeds, flax seeds, and Himalayan salt. So if we break this down, bananas, they're a healthy source of fiber, potassium, vitamin B6, vitamin C, various antioxidants, and phytonutrients. Avocados, love avocados, who doesn't? And it's a it's really great and healthy fat and has 20 vitamins and minerals. Store-bought orange juice can be very high in sugar, but freshly squeezed orange juice is very high in vitamin C, which is awesome for your immune system. And it's also a great source of folate. Hibiscus powder, tons of heart-healthy antioxidants. Maqui powder is an antioxidant that helps with inflammation. It's great for eye health, promotes a healthy gut, and protects against heart disease. Chia seeds, packed, superfood, packed with nutrients like fiber, protein, good fat, calcium, magnesium, phosphorus. Definitely eat chia seeds. Flax seeds, high in omega-3 fats. It's a rich source of dietary fiber, improves cholesterol and lowers blood pressure, and is power-packed with nutrients. Orange hibiscus smoothie. Let's taste. Oh, wow. This has a nice orangey, it's purple in color, but you can really taste the orange. It's really strong, it's nice. So now that we're in fall, it's pumpkin galore, right? Pumpkin spice this, pumpkin spice that. This is pumpkin pear soup, and it has nutmeg and cinnamon in it too. It smells amazing. This is Willow. Yes. Do you want some of my soup here? Pears are a great source of fiber to keep your blood sugars levels steady. Pumpkin, high antioxidant, so you can protect your organs from chronic diseases. It's also a great source of vitamin A. Most seeds are really good for you. This soup has hemp seed in it, which is really rich in healthy fats and proteins. It smells so good. It's so thick. Take a little taste. Oh my God, I love pumpkin soup. This is really good. You can taste the pear in it for a little bit of sweetness. Butternut turmeric soup. Oh my God. I love butternut squash, especially in the fall. Butternut squash is great to help regulate your blood pressure. Turmeric, very, very popular now. It's an Indian spice that's been used for centuries. It's an awesome anti-inflammatory. It also has some celery in it that is really great for your circulation and maintaining strong bone health. Super, super important as we age. So let's take a little taste. It's nice and thick. Oh, so nice. And I know that a lot of times they're like, oh, it's so good, but this really is good. All these dishes are so good. And they feel really hearty. Like this is all you'd need for lunch, which is awesome. So next up, carrot ginger juice. Carrot ginger juice has purified water, carrot juice, mangoes, bananas, ginger juice, lemon juice, pea protein, dates, chia seeds, flax seeds, and Himalayan salt. Okay, so we break this down. Carrot juice is famous for improving your vision, but also helps to improve your metabolism, boost your immune system, good for skin disorders, reduces cancer risk, and lowers cholesterol. Mangoes are high in fiber, a great source of vitamins C and A. It's also a great antioxidant. Ginger juice It has medicinal properties and is known to help with colds and congestions. That's what it's famous for. It's great for digestion and gut issues. It helps control blood pressure, reduce joint pain. Lemon juice, high in vitamin C and supports heart health, weight control, and digestive health. Dates improve bone health, good for your skin, rich in protein and vitamins, and promotes healthy digestion. What's not to love, right? So let's taste this one. Oh, this is so nice too. This you have the little kick of ginger, but it's very smooth. It's not like, sometimes ginger can have a harsher taste to it if you put too much in it. But this is actually really, really nice. And honestly, it's just so nice to be able to drink or eat something with confidence, right? That, maybe I don't have time to make a meal, but if I have this smoothie, I'm not gonna, put all these chemicals in my body. So it's great. So next up, they have these little small shots. They have a detox shot, and they also believe they have a wellness shot. But this is like a little kick in the butt, right? So if you're eating something crappy or you just want to clear out your system, this has apple juice, lemon juice, aloe juice, kale juice, moringa, and spirulina. All these ingredients help your digestive system to move along, aids in constipation and flushing out your system. And that in turn helps with bloating and gas if you're having those kind of issues. So if you need a quick little help out, you should just try this detox shot. So let me try this. You can taste the lemon juice and the apple juice for sure. Aloe juice I've had, and I don't feel like aloe juice has much of a taste, to be honest. This I like a lot, actually. I like all of them, actually. This is roasted cauliflower bowl, and it's always on the top of my list for fall vegetables. This roasted cauliflower bowl is savory and sweet. Also has some chickpeas and tahini sauce in it. Chickpeas is a high protein source as well as rich in vitamins, minerals, and fibers. It can also help in improving digestion, aiding in weight loss management, and reducing the risk of several diseases. Sorghum, you see some sorghum in here as well. It's great for your hair and your nails, and it's really a rich source of fiber, antioxidants, and protein. And spinach, right? We could all use a little spinach. We all know that spinach is famous for being loaded with iron and folic acid. Let's take a taste. I don't know why I thought it was going to taste like, but it's a little bit of a surprise. And it's really good. It's really hearty. And it's a little bit sweet. I think that's what I was surprised about. I didn't think it was going to be have a little sweetness to it. But it's nice because it's not sweet. It's savory and sweet. But I just love roasted cauliflower. It's so good. And it's so good for you. So I gotta say, when I saw coconut curry on the menu, I was like, I gotta try that. I love coconut, I love good curry. I was so excited to try this. This coconut curry bowl comes in the plastic containers like everything else, but not only has coconut and curry, but it also has kale and cashews in it. Coconut is a great source of healthy fat, improves bone health, as well as it's really good for your red blood cells. The turmeric curry that they use is a great anti-inflammatory. And many of us, we really do have too much inflammation in our body, so it's great to have turmeric. This bowl is balanced with some chickpeas, which is a great anti-inflammatory as well, and helps with digestion, weight management, and also has kale in it. So what can I say about kale? I mean, kale is amazing. So it's a great antioxidant, and it's loaded with vitamin C. Everybody should have some kale in their diet. I know it's gotten a lot of great press lately as being, that great superfood, but it's true. So let me dig into this. This looks really good. All the flavors are so different. I like the fact that they put the cashews in here because it gives it a little bit of a nutty flavor if you like nuts. So good. And then you can really taste the curry. It's not spicy though. I'm super sensitive to spice, but I like a little, flavor. This is a lot of flavor. This is really good. If you made it to this part of the video, congratulations on being committed to your health. If you want to try out some of the bowls, soups, noodles, or smoothies, Modern Aging viewers get $25 off their first purchase. All you have to do is go to splendidspoon.com/modernaging. And I'll put the link down below as well to just make it a little bit easier for you. Eating healthy is a part of the path towards longevity. When the food tastes good and it's real, it's easy to eat more of it. So eat less meat, drink more smoothies, eat more vegetables and fruits. Your body is going to thank you. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time on Modern Aging.